Installation SmartOne Cloud. By the end of this training, you'll be able to connect Smart Console to SmartOne Cloud and add a gateway to SmartOne Cloud. The main components that we have on the customer side are the Smart Console software installed on one of the clients, the gateway that you install either on an open server or on an appliance on your site, and of course, the management server. Now, there are some services that we obtain from Checkpoint. For example, ThreatCloud is a service we get from Checkpoint. It's somewhere on the cloud. The IPS updates, those are updates that we get from Checkpoint. We download them to our environment and install them. Application control updates, same thing. And of course, any product updates. So there's a fine line between what you have on site and to what you obtain from Checkpoint as a service. Now, here's the cool thing. You can have the management server as a service from Checkpoint. So you don't need to install the management server on your site. You can just get it as a service from Checkpoint. Quantum SmartOne Cloud. If you want to do this yourself, you'll need to make sure that you have Smart Console software installed, that your gateway has internet access, and that you have access to the Infinity Portal. This is a classic topology where you have your Quantum SmartOne or your management server on site. With SmartOne Cloud, the management server is no longer installed on-premise. On the contrary, it's going to be on cloud as a service. So let's see it in action. So I am in the Infinity Portal. I can either open Stream Smart Console or use the classic software that's already installed on my computer. I'm going to need this token. And here in Smart Console, I'm going to modify this setting to cloud. And I'm going to paste the token that I've copied. And here we go. I have Smart Console. It looks and feels as a regular Smart Console session to an on-site or on-premise management, but the management, usually here you have the IP address of your management server, but in this case it's on the cloud, so you see this unique name that I've chosen, in this case Dan, and you can see my username right here. And that's it. You have established a Smart Console connection to SmartOne Cloud. Our next task is to add a gateway. Now, something small here on the right that I really like is the key benefits of using SmartOne Cloud. Always the latest security management, newest features automatically updated in a unified management platform. Zero maintenance, no installation, no upgrades, and of course on-demand expansion. Now, let's add a gateway. Going here. As you'll see, the UI is really simple, really nice. My gateway name, I'm going to call it Daniel Test Security Gateway. Comment, just a demo. Now, it's going to take a few minutes to register the object and put it on Smart Console. We're going to see it here. And you're going to have all the instructions, everything, just waiting out for you within the portal. It's going to be really simple. There you go. We can already see the object. Okay. And now it's waiting for a connection. So I'm going to click on Connect Gateway. Now my version on the gateway is R81 and onward, so I'm going to stay with this one. And look how simple this is. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'm just going to paste this command. Press enter. Here we go. Done. Now, the next thing I need to do is to establish SIG. And as you can see, all the instructions are right here. Okay, everything that you need to do, everything, all the questions, it's all here within this portal, so it's really simple. Now, I'm going to go to Smart Console. because as you can see, it's pending SIG. Here's the object. Communication. Now you see this comment? This is a comment that I've written through the Infinity Portal, yet it somehow magically appeared here because it's all connected. I'm gonna submit my SIG password. Initialize. And I'm good. Trust established. Getting topology information, normal behavior on a gateway. I can see here the IP addresses used for the tunnel, set up with the management servers. Press close, press OK. And as I mentioned, it acts as a regular management server. So I can have my policy. In this case, this is just for a demo. So I'm going to stay with any accept, install policy. If I'll go here, I can see one policy installation was completed. I can go to details and see that it was indeed succeeded. And here I have a SSH session to my gateway, and if I'll run fwstat, I can see the standard policy has been installed. So here we go. Going back to the Infinity Portal, I can see that my management is active and I've successfully added one gateway. Thank you for watching.